Hello. Welcome to English Grammar Crash Course of One Step English. Today, we are talking about basic verb forms. Some, perhaps most, of this will be old hat for you. You don't need to be told that the past tense of do is did, but maybe you need to be reminded of irregular past participle forms or what the subjunctive is. And though you already know many of the rules, it's probably been years since you've seen them clearly articulated. As you've seen, verbs express an action or state of being. All verbs include a form of the base verb, which expresses the main action or state of being. Helping verbs. Helping verbs are used before action to convey additional information regarding aspects of possibility or time. For example, Sophie is going to Los Angeles. The word is the helping verb of the sentence, while the word going is the main verb of the sentence. Let us see how we use helping verbs in our daily conversation at home. Do you want tea?
No. I just have finished my dinner.
In this sentence, do is a helping verb accompanying the main verb, want, that is used here to form a question. In the sentence, no. I just have finished my dinner. The main verb, finished, and the helping verb, have, helps to express the tense of the verb. Now, let us see how we use helping verbs in our daily conversation at work. How was my idea for the project?
Your idea could help.
In the sentence, how was my idea for the project, the word was is the verb of the sentence, while the word how that precedes the main verb is an adverb and not a helping verb. So, in this sentence, there is no helping verb. While in the sentence, your idea could help, the word could is a helping verb of the main verb help. The helping verb could is used to express possibility. Linking verbs. A linking verb is a word that joins the subject of the sentence to the words in the predicate. For example, Sophie and Matthew were tired. The word were links the subject Sophie and Matthew to the predicate tired. Let us see how we use linking verbs in our daily conversation at home. Where is Sophie last night?
Sophie was at the department store.
In the sentence, Sophie was at the department store, the word was links Sophie to a phrase at the department store, which tells us where she is. Now, let us see how we use linking verbs in our daily conversation at work. Why is Matthew absent today?
Matthew feels sick.
In the sentence, Matthew feels sick, the word feels links Matthew to an adjective, sick, which describes him. Basic verb forms. Now, we are going to talk about the basic verb forms. English verbs have 3 basic forms from which the various tenses are fashioned. The first basic form of the verb is the base form. In English grammar, the root form of the verb is the base form of the word. Roots have not been conjugated and do not include prefixes or suffixes. The root form of the verb is the same as the infinitive form, with to removed. For example, to see becomes see. When conjugated, it is to see. When on its base form, it's only see. To walk becomes walk. When conjugated, it is to walk. When on its base form, it's only walk. To jump becomes jump. When conjugated, it is to jump. When on its base form, it's only jump. To watch becomes watch. When conjugated, it is to watch. When on its base form, it's only watch. The root form of a verb is used to create other forms of the verb when conjugated. This is always true with regular verbs, but may not apply with irregular verbs, depending on the tense. Let us see how we use the base form of the verb in our daily conversation at home. What did you do yesterday?
Well, I showed my friends how nice my new bag is.
In the sentence, what did you do yesterday, the conjugated verb is did. What do you think is the base form of the verb, did? Yes, you're right. The base form of the verb, did, is do. In the sentence, well, I showed my friends how nice my new bag is, the conjugated verb is showed. What do you think is the base form of the verb, showed? Yes, you're right. The base form of the verb, showed, is show. Last night I played my guitar loudly.
Now I know why the neighbors complained earlier.
In the sentence, last night I played my guitar loudly, the conjugated verb is played. And the base form of the verb, played, is play. In the sentence, now I know why the neighbors complained earlier, the conjugated verb is complained. And the base form of the verb, complained, is complain. Sophie wants ice cream.
Does she want mango flavor?
In the sentence, Sophie wants ice cream, the conjugated verb is wants.
And the base form of the verb, wants, is want.
In the sentence, does she want mango flavor, the conjugated verb is does. And the base form of the verb, does, is do. Now, let us see how we use the base form of the verb in our daily conversation at work. How is your day going?
I'm preparing for my presentation on our marketing strategy.
In the sentence, how is your day going, the conjugated verb is going. What do you think is the base form of the verb, going? Yes, you're right. The base form of the verb, going, is go. In the sentence, I'm preparing for my presentation on our marketing strategy, the conjugated verb is preparing. What do you think is the base form of the verb, preparing? Yes, you're right. The base form of the verb, preparing, is prepare. Are you finished with work already?
No. I'm still filing out a survey for our team.
In the sentence, are you finished with work already, the conjugated verb is finished. And the base form of the verb, finished, is finish. In the sentence, no. I'm still filing out a survey for our team, the conjugated verb is filing. And the base form of the verb, filing, is file. What happened to Matthew? Why is he sick?
It's because he skipped lunch yesterday.
In the sentence, what happened to Matthew? Why is he sick? The conjugated verb is happened. And the base form of the verb, happened, is, happen. In the sentence, it's because he skipped lunch yesterday, the conjugated verb is skipped. And the base form of the verb, skipped, is, skip.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.